Hello, this is Tapish. Welcome to my channel. The list of vocab that would be covered in this presentation are displayed on the screen for a short while. Strategy, a plan of action, policy to achieve a major or overall aim. Major मतलब बड़ा, ज़्यादा. एक अहम या मजमूई मकसद को हासिल करने के लिए डिजाइन करदा मंसूबा. Synonyms: plan of action, game plan, policy, scheme, procedure, approach, tactics. Second meaning is military tactics, battle plan. This meaning is linked to army or battlefield. Substitute, a replacement of a person or thing. शख्स या चीज का मुतबादिल. Sentence: curd is used as a substitute of tomatoes to make curry. Synonyms: replacement, proxy, alternate. Style, the way of doing things, काम करने का तरीका. Sentence: change your style to handle subordinates. Synonyms: way, manner, method. Structure, a thing constructed by joining many parts. एक ऐसी चीज जो बहुत से हिस्सों को मिलाकर तमीर की जाती है. Sentence: a structure of the building cannot be changed. However, renovation work can be done with its exterior. Synonyms: building, construction. Strain, used to the utmost, greatly or extremely. Exert, vigorously or to full capacity. सख्ती से या मुकम्मल सलाहियत के लिए इस्तेमाल करें. Do not strain your mind greatly, else you may fall ill. मतलब अपने दिमाग पे ज्यादा जोर मत डालो वरना आप बीमार हो जाओगे. किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा हद तक इस्तेमाल करना, ज्यादा डिग्री पे इस्तेमाल करना. Strive, कोशिश करना. To exert much effort or energy on part of body or oneself. Exert means push or put, डालना. Sentence: straining our ears to hear. जोर डालना सुनने के लिए. Subject means topic, a thing that is being discussed or deal. एक ऐसी चीज जिस पर बहस कर रहे हों या जिससे निपटा जा रहा हो. A book on science subject. Please update me on subject maintenance complaint. Subject to, condition to. शर्त के लिए. This payment is subject to approval. यह अदायगी मंजूरी से मशरूत है. अगर मंजूरी होगी तो पेमेंट होगी. Condition. Substance, the real physical matter of which a person or thing consists. Matter, material. Example: thing is made up of material. Chair is made up of wood. Human body is made up of hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Synonyms of substance are material, matter, stuff. Urdu meaning is mada. Substance, second meaning, the most essential part of an idea or experience. किसी भी तजर्बे का सबसे अहम हिस्सा. किसी भी आइडिया का अहम हिस्सा. रूह, substantial, of large size, quantity and importance. काफी अहमियत, size या काबिल कदर. Sentence: substantial increase in petroleum price. Large increase in petroleum price. Synonyms are large, significant, ample. Substantial, second meaning, fundamental, essential, basic, बुनियादी, जरूरी. Substantially, largely, greatly, बड़े पैमाने पर, बहुत. Sentence, petroleum price substantially increase. Second meaning, for the most part, essentially, ज्यादातर हिस्से के लिए बुनियादी तौर पे. The movie was boring substantially, largely on the whole. Scheme, a detailed and fixed plan of action. A scheme intended to prevent terrorism. A scheme intended to prevent terrorism. Synonym, strategy. Screen, a fixed or movable upright partition used to divide a room, gives shelter from breeze, heat, or light, or to provide concealment or privacy. कमरे को तकसीम करने के लिए room screen divider. Other meaning for screen are mobile screen, TV screen, computer screen. Satisfy, mutmahin. Meeting the expectation, needs or desire of someone. किसी की तवक्कात, ज़रूरियात या ख्वाहिशात पे पूरा उतरना. Performance is satisfactory. Safe, free from risk, danger, खतरे से आजाद. Kids have reached home safely from school. Safety, protection, हिफाजत. Safety measures in event of fire or potential possible hazards. Hazards, खतरे. Sample, namuna. A small quantity of sample, namuna. A small quantity or amount to show what whole is like. Blood sample, rice sample, product sample. Strike, hit, slap or thrash. Marna, thappad marna ya marna. He strike the ball hard with bat. Synonyms, hit, slap or thrash. Scare, feel feared, nervous or frightened. खौफजदा, घबराहट या खौफजदा महसूस करना. He is scared to watch horror movies. Search, to look. Search, to look for someone or something. किसी को या किसी शय को तलाश करना. जैसे सर्च इंजन होते हैं, वहां पे आप जो चीज आप फाइंड कर रहे हैं वो एंटर करते हैं. Sentence, I am searching for my lost English textbook. Website, to search county bills. I am searching for the nearest police station. Secret, a hidden information. एक पोशीदा मालूमात. Do not disclose the information. Synonyms, confidential. बराए करम इस खुफिया मालूमात को जाहिर ना करें. Secure, get by special effort. खसूसी कोशिश करके हासिल करना. Sentence, after many difficulties, we were able to secure building permit. Another meaning of secure is fasten, fix, jamana, lagana. Cause to be firmly attached, fasten. Sentence, fasten your seat belts. Gate was secured with bolts. See, perceive with eyes, अपनी आंखों से देखना. Discerning, to understand or recognize something. Visual. Sentence, new movie was seen by many people. Seems, appear, look, lagna. Sentence, it seems that dad is angry. Appear to exist, nazar aana. There seemed no reason to go ahead with the project now. Striking, attracting attention by reason of being unusual, extreme and prominent, noticeable, गैर मामूली, इंतहाई या नुमाया होने की वजह से तवज्जो अपनी तरफ मुतवज्जे करना. सेंटेंस स्ट्राइकिंग ब्यूटी, हैरत अंगेज खूबसूरती. Synonyms: remarkable, extraordinary, incredible, amazing, phenomenal. Thank you for watching the video. If you learned something, please do like and subscribe.